Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to search for a WhatsApp channel. Whether you're looking for a specific channel or want to explore new ones, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your device and ensure that you have the latest version installed. Keeping your WhatsApp updated will ensure you have access to the latest features, including the ability to search for channels. Step 2. Tap on Updates from the upper drawer. This will take you to the Updates section, where you can find all the latest updates from your contacts and channels. Step 3. Scroll down in the Updates section until you reach the Channels category. This is where you'll find the channels available for you to explore. Step 4. To search for a WhatsApp channel, tap on Find Channels. This option allows you to discover new channels or search for specific ones. Step 5. In the search bar, tap on the magnifying glass icon. This will open the search function, allowing you to enter the name or keywords related to the channel you're looking for. Step 6. Search for the channel you want by typing the name or relevant keywords in the search bar. WhatsApp will display the search results based on your input. Thank you for watching, and enjoy exploring WhatsApp channels.